Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Xiaomi Mi11 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic culprit tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and remove the logic board frame by undoing 11 screws. And then disconnect the battery plug on the left hand side and SIM connector plug on the right hand side. Next, move to the bottom part and undo 4 screws to take out the SIM card flex. And then undo 3 more screws to take out the speaker buzzer module. Next, disconnect the main ribbon flex. Next, if needed, apply the heat to soften the glue on the charging board area. And then take out the not working charging port board by disconnecting the antenna head. Next, place the new charging port board in the body. And then connect the antenna head and main flex into the board. Next, place the speaker buzzer module by adding 3 screws. Next, place and connect the SIM card module by securing 4 screws and then add the SIM card tray. Next, connect the battery plug into the board. Next, secure the logic board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.